Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to log into Facebook using your email and phone number. Before starting, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to Webtech Tutorial for more updates from us. Press the bell icon to never miss another update from us. Now, start by going to your web browser and type in www.facebook.com. As soon as you reach to its official website, to log in using your email, type in your email and then type in the password for your Facebook. Make sure to enter your password correct and then click on the login button. Now, to log in with your phone number, instead of email address, just type in your phone number. After that, enter the password to your Facebook account and then click on the login button to log in. But before that, make sure to enter your password correct and then continue. In case you forgot the password, click on Forgot Password link provided right below the login button. And after you do that, you'll be able to reset your password if you follow the instructions well. To log in, after entering the credentials, click on the login button and then you'll be logged into your Facebook account. I hope the video was useful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'll be back again soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.